Again, a very warm good afternoon to everybody sitting here. Uh, Myself, Neeraj Janeja, representing along with my team members, Enrich Hydro team.
Myself is Sanjay Srivastava.
The case study is about Allied Bank of India. The key challenges for Allied Bank of India is how they can respond quickly and nimbly to the changing environment. The answer to the question is organizational agility, which is the key differentiator in rapid changing environment. Being agile means the ability to adopt rapidly and cost effectively in response to change in business environment. The prominent challenges which are in front of the Allied Bank are: number one is faster and better customer response. So in view of the increasing customer base and new merger and acquisitions, banks should be able to respond quickly and efficiently to the customers. Another is adoption of new market and environments. One of the challenges of the bank is to adopt new markets and products quickly with changing environment, improving efficiency and reducing cost. Another challenge to the bank is to improve an overall efficiency and reduce the cost. Another is effective and timely communication and information sharing. Another challenge to the bank is to establish effective medium of communication for its staff and stakeholders. Then regulatory compliance and MIS reporting. So another challenge to the bank is to make provisions for regulatory compliance, including compliance to IT Act, adherence to data retrieval policies. On the basis of that, we have derived an integrated solution with the combination of technologies and offerings from various service providers. In this regards, our innovations includes data center consolidation, establishment of one primary and one DR data center for better energy efficiency, cooling, structured cabling, and physical security. Information technology service management to effectively monitor and management of entire range of IT services with compliance with the SLA and agreed services. Private cloud, deployment of private cloud covering the entire range of applications deployed across primary and DR data center. Another is big data, deployment of big data technology to cater the need of growing structured and unstructured data of organizations and establishing a method for on-demand information retrieval. Machine-to-machine communication, deployment of machine-to-machine communication for monitoring of ATMs and proactive reporting such as ATM cash status, breakdown, etc. Unified communication, deployment of unified communication across the organization for better collaboration and information sharing between the internal stakeholders. Business intelligence, deployment of business intelligence tools for reporting of information to management on timely manner, as well facilitate the management in taking information decision by establishing dashboard for analyzing trends. So first is business service management. The objective is to holistic management of the services in the organization to ensure alignment between the need of the customers and the objective of the organization. And the scope is service life cycle management ranging from service analysis to service delivery by implementation of BMC software solutions. The benefits will be improved enterprise application availability, proactively identification and resolution of issues across the IT infrastructure. Implementation plan will be as follows: definition and identification of cross-functional services.
Allied Bank is having many branches across the India as well as the world. Also, they have taken a lot of mergers and acquisition. They have consolidated a lot of businesses from that other banks. So it was very imperative for them to identify the cross functions and integrate that. The first service, which is the business service management, it takes care of definition and identification of cross-functional services.
Second one is transition from silo-based structure to system-based organizational structures.
Because of the merger and acquisitions of various banks, still there are information silo as well as the silos into the organization. The acquired banks are working in their own way and they are having their own set of processes. Another part of it is that make a common process across the organization.
Another one is to support a process approach, team-enabled collaboration tools.
One of the most important factors into it is to enable a team collaboration across that organization.
Then support, automate, multi-process data integration and enable workflow.
To achieve the optimum efficiency, it was one of the most critical tasks to enable the workflow, automatic workflow, which take care of all the processes deployed across the organization.
Last but not the least, to embed a new processes oriented and customer-focused value system.
The bank is growing at a very rapid way. The customer base is growing, as well as there are plans for merger and acquisition. So it is important for the organization to be process-oriented and customer-focused to add value into its businesses.
Another is technology, which is cloud technology. The objective is to provisioning of clouds for primary as well as DR site data center with fail-safe or high availability capabilities. The scope is migration of IT application to cloud, implementation of System Center 2012 for uniform management of cloud. The benefits, comprehensive end-to-end management for infrastructure and application environment, significant reduction in provisioning time, greater efficiency and better utilization of resources. The implementation plan for the same will be as follows. Identification of legacy services to be migrated to cloud based on business value.
Allied Bank is running many of the legacy services to the services at the top end. So it was very imperative for the bank to migrate the services from their legacy systems to a cloud-based system for scalability and easily provisioning of the services.
Determination of the readiness of all key applications for cloud migration.
Making that applications cloud ready, it is one of the important factors. They identify the mission critical and non-important applications and migrate the mission critical applications to the cloud.
Self-service support provisioning.
Not only for its own department's own processes, but also for the customers. It is very much required to have a self-service support.
Another one is provision for flexible on-demand computing capabilities.
Since this Allied Bank is growing at a very rapid speed and there are already merger and acquisition are on the plan, it must be flexible enough to provide the computing capabilities on demand or as per the business requirement.
Provisioning of security arrangements, speed, regulatory compliance and reasonable security.
Recently, there was a regulatory compliance from the Government of India, change in the IT Act, and it says that it requires to store the data for the 7 years. Cloud is the solution where we can put the data for that of much of longer time.
Unified communication. The objective is to integration, streamlining and simplifying the organization, communication and collaboration infrastructure. Scope is to create an integrated platform for collaboration and communication, implementation of Microsoft Link 2010. The benefits, reduction in communication costs, improved productivity. The implementation plan will be as follows. The provision of resources for implementation of unified communication, determination of switchover point, implementation of UC technology at server level, testing of new solution with a group of users, and then test deployment of all UC tools to a select group of people who are technically savvy, and at the last, switch over to the UC system. Now, data center transformation. The objective is optimization of infrastructure capacities to right size the data center for greater efficiency, reduce cost and better security control. The scope is virtualization of data center infrastructure, implementation of data structure management software. The benefits will be energy efficiency, manageability.
One of the major challenges with that Allied Bank is they are having a lot of data centers spread across the locations, and there is also a duplication of the resources. Somewhere the resources are fully utilized, where some resources are not fully utilized. So it was imperative to have a data center transformation. Apart from this, there was also a requirement for creating a disaster recovery site. So transformation of data center is not only from the primary side, it is also for the DR side.
Machine-to-machine communication. Objective is to allow monitoring, control and management of remote equipment through wireless networks. The scope is monitoring and managing operations of ATMs and payment kiosks, tracking and tracing the movement of cash carry vehicles, implementation of Vodafone M2M services. The benefits?
You have 5 minutes.
Proactive monitoring, improved efficiency, enhanced security. The implementation plan for the same will be as follows. Identify and adapt M2M solutions to your business needs, improve the performance of business processes, introduce new services, enhance profitability, improve service quality, and the last, strengthen customer relationships.
M2M is relatively new technology, so it is imperative for the bank to implement, carefully choose, and first implement it to the critical services like monitoring of the ATMs and their cash carry vans.
Now the big data. Objective is to deployment of big data technology to cater the need of growing structured and unstructured data of organizations. The scope is aggregation and correlation of data from different IT systems. Benefits, increase productivity and competitiveness. The implementation plan for the same will be provisioning for storage of terabytes of data using distributed file system, enabling various analysis combinations throughout various data lifecycle, deriving method for faster integrated search across structured, unstructured, social and complex data through a common front-end UI, and then provisioning for easy integration with external applications complementing mission-critical solutions.
This is end our presentation. We will be glad to answer any queries which our respected jury or our colleagues can have.
I think your presentation reflects that you have put in a lot of effort. But, there's one thing which was coming to my mind. From your presentation, it was not clear. How do you propose to grow the business? See, how do you think all these interventions by the Allied Bank is actually going to, leverage or, help them grow their business?
The one of the major challenges which we have identified is the agility of the businesses. The Allied Bank is growing at a very fast pace. Not only in case of the customer base, also it is expanding its branches and acquiring the other banks. So it was very imperative for Allied Bank to expand its efficiency, improves its customer interaction or customer satisfaction. The solution which we have derived is a combination of various integrated stacks. It ranges from the adoption of integration of the data center, which will reduce the number of management tools or management things required for managing the database. Second, it goes to the unified communication. Unified communication will enable the seamless communication between its customer and other stakeholders. Third one is goes that because of the growth of the organization, the data is also growing, as well as there is a regulatory requirement for the growth of data. Cloud computing is answer to this. Apart from the cloud computing, management of IT infrastructure itself is a challenge. Where comes that IT service management and that various offers given by the service providers like VMC. Hopefully this answers your question.
I've got two questions really. One, you say you're going to use cloud computing. So can you define which part of cloud computing you're planning to use? So that's the first question. The second question is you mentioned M2M implementation. One of the benefits would be improved customer relationship. Can you throw some more lights on, how you're going to make that happen?
The cloud typically which we are talking about is the private cloud or the cloud infrastructure which is deployed inside the data center of the company.
So let me elaborate this. Cloud could be owned by your company, which is a private cloud, and cloud could be owned by a service provider, which is the public cloud. Now, a cloud comes with several services, several categories of services. Which of those services are you planning to deploy in your organization?
As we have mentioned into our presentation, the initial stage we would like to migrate our mission critical applications. You can say the core banking application to the cloud to be used inside the bank to the use by the, you can say, stakeholders of the bank.
So I just have a follow-on question on exactly on that one. Given what you're doing at the data center transformation side, it looks that your data center is not in a great shape. And then you're putting private cloud on top of it. These two strategies don't seem to go together to me. If your data center is in this shape, I doubt you can put a private cloud, which you're talking about right now, putting your entire core banking application out there.
Technically, the time is up, but we'll allow you to answer the last question that Akhilesh just asked.
The one of the major challenge is the growth of the organization, and at the same pace, you need to keep that services to your customers, to your other stakeholders. Where this, the answer to this technology is that you deploy or you make the service, IT service provisions faster, and the answer is the cloud.
All right, thank you very
Thank
much.
you very much.
Thank you.